Tears echo across Texas. In mere minutes, the sky turned violent. The Guadalupe River surged like an awakened beast, swallowing everything in its path. A summer camp once filled with laughter became an ocean of sorrow. 27 lives, children and counselors, gone in an instant. Tents, cabins, even giant trees, washed away. Over 100 confirmed dead, and hundreds still missing. Parents wait in silence, hoping, praying. Rescue teams race against time, but every minute stretches into eternity. Texas mourns. And the world mourns with it.